Are you ready to discover the ultimate kitchen upgrade for 2025? Whether you're searching for the best air fryers or curious about what makes models like the Ninja Air Fryer, Instant Vortex, or Cuisinart Air Fryer stand out, this is the video for you. Air fryers have revolutionized cooking, offering crispy, healthy meals in minutes. From sleek designs to versatile functions like air fryer toaster ovens, we've rounded up the top air fryers of 2025 to elevate your cooking game. Don't miss out. Product links are in the description below. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and let's dive into the future of effortless cooking. The Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo with French Door, 25 QD Extra Large is a culinary powerhouse that truly deserves its place among the best air fryers of 2025. With its unique dual zone functionality, you can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously, saving time and effort without compromising on flavor. Whether you're preparing crispy chicken wings in one zone while roasting vegetables in the other, this air fryer ensures versatility and convenience. The 25-quart capacity makes it perfect for families or hosting gatherings, and the sleek French door design adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. The appliance promises up to 60% faster cooking times, making it an ideal solution for busy households. From frozen foods to gourmet meals, this air fryer transforms cooking into a seamless and efficient process. What sets this air fryer apart is its 360-degree cooking technology, which ensures even heating for perfectly crispy textures and juicy interiors. With preset cooking functions, it's as easy as pressing a button to bake, broil, toast, or dehydrate. It's not just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional oven that replaces several kitchen gadgets. If you're searching for a reliable, stylish, and versatile air fryer, the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 is an outstanding choice. Its ability to cook 2 foods in different ways simultaneously makes it a standout option among the best air fryers for 2025. Check the product link in the description and elevate your cooking experience today. The Dome Air Fryer lives up to its reputation as a top contender among the best air fryers of 2025. Designed for speed, efficiency, and convenience, this air fryer offers a cutting-edge cooking experience that combines power and precision. Its standout feature is the #1 cooking speed, thanks to superior airflow technology that cooks meals faster while locking in flavor and crispiness. With a generous capacity to fit up to 32 chicken wings, this air fryer is perfect for large families or gatherings. The smart digital controls make it incredibly user-friendly, offering a variety of presets to air fry, bake, roast, and more with just a few taps. Whether you're making quick weeknight dinners or preparing party snacks, this air fryer delivers consistently delicious results. What truly sets the Dome Air Fryer apart is its self-cleaning feature, a rare innovation in air fryers. Combined with a dishwasher-safe basket, cleanup is effortless, saving you precious time in the kitchen. The sleek design and large capacity make it a stylish and practical addition to any countertop. This air fryer is ideal for anyone looking for a smart, efficient, and versatile appliance. From crispy fries to roasted vegetables, it handles every task with ease, making it one of the most convenient and reliable options among the best air fryers. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with a large-capacity, high-performance air fryer, the Dome Air Fryer is a fantastic choice. Be sure to check the product link in the description to elevate your cooking game. The Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher-safe glass portable cooking system is a game-changer in modern cooking, earning its place among the best air fryers of 2025. This innovative cooking system offers a unique combination of functionality, versatility, and convenience. Equipped with 4 QD and 6-cup glass containers featuring storage lids, the Ninja Crispi allows you to seamlessly transition from cooking to storing. Its non-toxic glass design ensures safe cooking, free from harmful chemicals, while the durable construction is microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making it perfect for everyday use. This air fryer is more than just a fryer. It's a multifunctional kitchen companion. With the ability to air fry, bake, and more, you can prepare everything from crispy snacks to full meals effortlessly. Its portable and compact design is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or on-the-go meal prep. The easy-to-use controls and efficient cooking system deliver consistent results, whether you're roasting veggies or reheating leftovers. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe glass containers, saving time without sacrificing hygiene. Its stylish gray FN101GY design complements any kitchen aesthetic, while its practicality appeals to busy individuals and families alike. If you're looking for a sleek, safe, and versatile air fryer, the Ninja Crispi air fryer is a standout choice. With its innovative features and reliable performance, it's no surprise this model is considered one of the best air fryers of 2025. Ready to simplify your cooking? Check the product link in the description and bring home this must-have appliance today. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven 6QT Basket Stainless Steel Air Fryer, Air 200, is a top-tier appliance that effortlessly combines style, functionality, and convenience, making it a standout contender among the best air fryers of 2025. This versatile air fryer features a 6-quart capacity, ideal for preparing quick and easy meals for families or gatherings. Its stainless steel design not only enhances durability but also adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen. The dishwasher-safe parts ensure hassle-free cleanup, allowing you to enjoy your meals without worrying about the mess. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven comes with 5 preset functions, including roast, bake, broil, air fry, and keep warm. This versatility lets you prepare everything from crispy fries to succulent roasts with minimal effort. The precision temperature controls and powerful airflow system ensure consistent results, delivering perfectly cooked meals every time. Its user-friendly interface makes operation simple, even for beginners. Whether you're air frying for a healthier alternative to deep frying or roasting a family dinner, this air fryer excels in performance and convenience. The Keep Warm feature is a thoughtful addition, perfect for busy households. Durable, stylish, and packed with features, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. Its efficient cooking and easy maintenance make it one of the most practical and reliable choices among the best air fryers on the market. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Check out the product link in the description and discover why the Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven is a favorite for 2025. The 32QT Extra Large Air Fryer 19-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo with rotisserie and dehydrator stands out as a versatile and powerful addition to any kitchen, earning its spot among the best air fryers of 2025. With an impressive 32-quart capacity, this air fryer can easily handle a 13-inch pizza, making it perfect for large families or entertaining guests. Equipped with 19 preset cooking functions, this digital convection oven is designed to roast, bake, air fry, dehydrate, and more, all in one compact appliance. Whether you're crafting crispy fries, perfectly roasted chicken, or homemade dried fruits, this air fryer delivers consistently excellent results. Its rotisserie feature adds another layer of functionality, allowing you to create golden, succulent roasts effortlessly. The 1800W power ensures fast and efficient cooking, cutting down preparation time without compromising on flavor or texture. The digital touchscreen interface is intuitive and user-friendly, offering precise control over temperature and cooking modes. This air fryer is more than just functional, it's designed for convenience. The non-stick interior makes cleanup easy, while the countertop-friendly design adds style to your kitchen. Despite its large capacity, it doesn't dominate your space, making it ideal for both small and large kitchens. If you're searching for a large-capacity, feature-packed air fryer, the 32QT Extra Large Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is an excellent choice. Its versatility, efficiency, and sleek black design make it one of the best air fryers available in 2025. Don't wait. Check the product link in the description to elevate your cooking game today.